everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to do a reveal of my August Journaling Joy collection. Joy stands for Journal Our Year because I create a journal collection every single month for my Kofi members, and this is called Botanical Notes. Now, Botanical Notes has been designed specifically to go with the previous collection called Nature Notes. Okay, here are the projects I made using Nature Notes. All right, we did a journal and I did this folio. So if you join the membership today, you'll get this collection, you'll get Nature Notes collection, you'll get the cutting guide for this fantastic folio. Okay, you get everything. So this was a 22-page collection, this one's 24. So that's, what's that, 45 pages, just to make a fantastic nature theme. So Botanical Notes and Nature Notes collectively, I'm going to make a big journal using both throughout, so it's going to be September now. So this is the new one, Botanical Notes. Beautiful collage here. So it's all to do with, you know, flowers, plants and herbs. Whereas Nature Notes has got a little bit of birds in, a bit of all sorts. Okay, right, so let me quickly show you this. That's the first page. And lovely second page. We've got this fantastic cluster that I've created. And there's another one. So I'm going to go through it pretty quickly, because if you stay to the end, I'll quickly show you the other collection as well. So it's a very, very good value for money is the membership, because you can mix and match the collections. And like I say, I've designed this one specifically to go with the previous one. I'll leave links to this one, Botanical Notes, below, and the Nature Notes one, okay? And every collection has a playlist, so you can follow along with whatever I make. So there is a cutting guide for this and videos. And there is a playlist for this one, which was Nature Notes. Okay, absolutely stunning. The playlist primarily focuses on the cover and putting the signatures together. This one shows you everything step by step. So whether I replicate this, I'm not sure, or I don't know. I've got a feeling I might take elements of this and elements of this, combine them and make a big hybrid style journal, okay, with Botanical Notes. So that's another beautiful one. And there we go. And then there isn't a heap of patterned backgrounds in this one, because there is some in the Nature Notes that you can use. So rather than duplicate, I'm advising that you combine the two collections, okay, and then you're getting everything you could possibly need. Look at that, it's beautiful. Beautiful, like photographic almost florals there, just really pretty. And we've got some plainer ones on some ledger and totally plain ones. These are perfect for your plain journal pages. You know, you can print them double-sided, and then when you fold them, those are your writing pages or pages for decorating. And then there's another one with this tatty edge down. So everything I've used in more or less, I'd say it's 98% vintage images. Okay, there's a couple of modern images that I've gotten from other digital artists, but most of it is vintage. Okay, and then we've got these seed packets, and I've given you some buzzy bees and some ladybirds, and these tickets here. I've used them lots in my collections. They're one of my favourite tickets, and as you can see here, I've just used them to wrap around ephemera and things like that for a little bit of interest. And we've got some ephemera. This is all vintage ephemera. These are vintage that I've turned into stamps. This is a vintage book plate, vintage receipts that I've put together, and then just a couple of extra labels. Fussy cut florals, beautiful. If you remember, check out the Fabulous Florals collection. There's over 100 different flowers on there. But these are some of the main ones I've used in the collection. Butterflies, because you can never have too many butterflies. These are mirror image as well, so you can glue them back to back if you so desire. We've got small stitched tags there, beautiful. And then we've got some larger ticket type tags. So these are quite large. They're stunning with the lovely botanical and florals on there. Then I did some guest checks because I do love the guest checks and I like them to coordinate with whatever collection I'm doing. So here I've put the same florals and the lacy background and the labels so that they coordinate. Okay, and I've put AJC there because that's my initials. Just a little bit of fun, but it's also a little bit of security for me. If anybody wants to steal my work, I'll know it's mine. Some labels there. And then here we've got some more journaling cards, or you could turn them, you could cut the corners and turn them into tags. They're made from a vintage book with these lovely florals, and then we've got a label and some stitching that I've added on there. They're just gorgeous, really, really gorgeous. And these florals are taken from vintage floral books, so they are, you know, they're not AI or anything. They're taken from vintage books. And then here are some larger tags that I've used my clusters that I've created, and you've got layered tags with lots of detail, lots of lovely detail, and some more lovely labels. So this kind of thing I'll print on 200 GSM lightweight cardstock. My pages I print on 120 GSM good quality presentation style printer paper, and I will turn the pages over and print something on the back to get the look that I want from a journal. So that is Botanical Notes, okay? So if you join today, you'll get this, and you'll get Nature Notes as well. So this was Nature Notes. I'll go through it really quickly. So as you can see, you've got your birds and things on there, whereas the other one is just botanicals. So again, I've made my own little clusters there. We've got these lovely collage that I made that you can cut up or rip up. Your background pages, it's the same pattern. I've just done it in different colours, different colourways. But if you join the membership, there's heaps and heaps and heaps there with patterns. I've got textures, I've got vintage floral patterns, I've got all sorts of collections with loads of background papers in. So I don't always want to make papers for the sake of it when you can find them in other things. I love these and the mushrooms. So combined, you can make yourself a fantastic nature and botanical themed journal. And then this one does have the planner sheets because it must be from 2023 when I used to add them. I don't add those anymore. Okay, beautiful little squirrels and birds. And again, these are all vintage. All vintage. This one's 100% vintage, this one. There's no artistic design work from other artists. I've taken every single element from vintage sources. Beautiful. Your good old library cards and some little things there, and some little doilies, and those large tickets again there. And then in this one, you've got a envelope template, so you print that and then you put it through your printer and you print something on the back, and then you use that as your template to cut out, so you can make an envelope out of whatever print you want. Okay, so this month's is Botanical Notes. This is from April 2023, but if you combine them, you're getting double bubble. Okay, so I made this journal, as I said. Okay, beautiful, and the butterflies there. And then I made this fantastic folio, which was very, very popular. Okay, I'll quickly go through it really quickly. It opens like so, and then that comes out. I think that's a photo mat, and then that all goes back. I've got to remember how this works because I've forgotten. We've got photo mats in there. This was magnetised, that opened, and then, yeah, it goes that way. And then this comes out, and this comes out. And these open, and that was magnetised. And then we've got another photo mats there. And then how does this work? Oh, yes, this pulls out like this. So that's photo mats. This went like this, yeah. And then like this. I've not opened this in years. But yeah, so if you and that's a photo mat as well. So yeah, I think that's slid all the way down there. to lock it, but we'll do all that later. So if you join, you'll get all of this, all of it, okay, as part of your membership. I'll put all of this back later, so I'll have to try and remember where it all goes. So through September, keep your eyes peeled, because I'm going to be probably combining elements of this and this, doing the cover differently and making, I might put this like in the middle and then put a signature each side. I'm not sure, but I want to make a really, really large botanical and nature theme journal with these two collections. Or you can make a standalone with just the botanical collection. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I like to make sure you get a lot of bang for your buck. So by coordinating collections, by being a member, you're gonna get a very, very, very fantastical journal out of them, okay? Absolutely stunning. I really loved creating it. I think it's really pretty. I love using vintage images. I think next month I might have a break and do something a little bit more modern. I don't know, we'll see. I've been doing vintage theme ones for quite a few times now, so I think next month I might do something a little bit different. I don't know. I might change my mind and stick with vintage. But it's a beautiful, beautiful collection. Check out all of the links in the description box below. Don't forget, if you go to my Kofi, even if you're not a member, you don't have to join. Every single member's collection, if you look in the written description part, there is, for every collection, there is a playlist link. And that playlist link will take you to the playlist where I have created using that collection. So you can go to my Kofi, even if you don't want to join, you can look at those playlists and you can get yourself a heap of inspiration. Okay, so maybe go and have a look on my Kofi. Maybe you think you want to do, I don't know, a journal to do with cooking. If you go on there, I've got a cooking theme one. If you go in the description, there is a playlist link. You can click that and you can get some inspiration for making your own journal without using my papers. That is totally fine. The Kofi is for more than just, you know, me earning a living. There's a heap of inspiration over there. So follow the link and bare minimum, follow my Kofi, because the amount of inspiration you'll get will be invaluable, and the inspiration is all free. You know, that's what I do. I'm here to hopefully inspire you in your creative endeavours, be it journal making, mini albums, folios, card making. You know, I do 3D projects. I've just done this recently. I do a whole heap of things. So the inspiration that I give you hopefully will help you. So that's it for today. That's enough waffle, and we'll be back very, very shortly with more tutorials, okay, because I have to start work on this one, which was July. No, that's not it. July one. I've not got it to hand. It was the Blue Vintage Hues. That's what I'm working on next. When that's done, we'll be on with this. And this is going to be a monster of a journal, okay? All of the tutorials will be free on YouTube for everybody to follow along. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're following. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. You can find me on Facebook. Yeah, check out the links below. You come and join the Facebook group. There's loads of freebies in there. There are freebies on my Kofi, as well as the members section. But the membership, I will openly brag and say, is the best value for money that there is out there for what I give, and the tutorials that I do and the collections that are over there, because you not only get in this month's collection when you join, you get access to everything. I don't limit it. I don't set it to the month you join and then you can't have the month before. You can have everything. So go and give it a look. Go and see what we're about, and go and grab the Botanical Notes. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful journal, I promise. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.